The Supreme Court handed a victory today to abortion rights activists. The 5-3 decision tossed out a Texas law that had helped cut in half the number of abortion clinics in the state. Bruce LeShan says it could also have implications in Virginia. Bruce?
Well, that's right, Jan. Virginia's Board of Health is right now working on rules that would mandate all abortion clinics in the Commonwealth meet what critics say are hospital-like standards. Today's Supreme Court ruling raises serious constitutional questions about the legislation requiring those new tougher rules. Abortion rights advocates surprised and overjoyed by a Supreme Court decision that could turn back a rising tide of rules that had been sweeping through state legislatures, rules that have closed down scores of abortion clinics.
Oh, man. I am beyond elated.
Today's Supreme Court decision is a game changer in the unrelenting assault on women's health and rights.
The Texas law required all clinics in the state to meet the standards for outpatient surgical centers, and it required doctors to have admitting privileges at a nearby hospital. 5 of the justices found those rules imposed an undue burden on women seeking abortions without a medical benefit substantial enough to justify that burden.
This is a tragedy for women's safety, women's health, and for innocent life.
Abortion hurts women! Women deserve better!
Supporters of the laws insist they were designed to keep women safe, but they found themselves almost drowned out by victorious abortion rights activists.
Today, the Supreme Court sold out women.
Now, some advocates had feared that the Supreme Court would once again deadlock 4-4 on this, but Justice Kennedy once again provided the swing vote for what amounts to the court's most important ruling on abortion rights in 25 years. Jan?
All right, Bruce, thank you. And Justice Clarence Thomas wrote a stinging dissent. He said the ruling, quote, exemplifies the court's troubling tendency to bend the rules when any effort to limit abortion or even to speak in opposition to abortion is at issue. Virginia Governor Terry McAuliffe reacted to today's abortion clinic decision on Twitter. He tweeted, SCOTUS makes the right call putting women's health first. Virginia passed similar laws, but we continue to fight and win to preserve access to care. Texas Senator Ted Cruz also reacted, tweeting, today's SCOTUS decision will not silence our fight to protect the most helpless and innocent among us.